Hi guys, in this short video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can easily add a clickable link on your TikTok bio. So that's quite simple. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to open the TikTok application. File icon on the bottom right, and then you will have to tap on the menu section on the top right corner right here, and click on settings and privacy. Now you will have to click on the accounts and click on switch to business account. Now you'll have to go through some steps and you can skip and click any one of them and click on next, and now click on skip, and now you could go back on your profile. And now when you tap on edit profile, you will see an option of website. Now the link that you will paste here will be displayed on your bio, and it will be a clickable link. So that's how you can easily add a clickable link on your TikTok bio. So that was quite simple. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel.